Roland,
go ahead.
Yeah, and Jaysen was just a star of a kid, one of a kind, three-sport athlete, sang in the choir, played in the band, and had a whole future ahead of him. And unfortunately lost his life, as Clarence just said, tragically to his brain-eating amoeba. And Lake Murray is owned by Dominion Energy, but it's a huge lake. It covers 5 or so different counties. And unfortunately, with global warming and water temperatures, amoeba can turn deadly if waters are consistently over 80 degrees. And so what Clarence and Ebony have been doing is fighting for the legacy of their son and wanting to see some policy change. PSAs that warn people about the waters when they're consistently over 80 degrees and how the amoeba can turn deadly, asking that there be signs and warnings that would put people on notice of this, and also asking that the state allocate some funding to testing our fresh body waters during the summer months. Right now, the South Carolina tests the 120 so beaches that we have for deadly bacteria from May to essentially October, but no funding is allocated to the lakes where majority of residents spend their time during summer, as opposed to tourists who visit the beaches of South Carolina. And that's what the Carrs have been fighting for, raising awareness. And I'm sure Ebony would love to talk more about who Jaysen was, and Clarence would as well. But so far, since he's passed, they have been nonstop in raising awareness. And unfortunately, the state did nothing. There was no investigation from any state or county regulatory body of where Jaysen was, where he was affected. So we've been doing the work that the state should have done and the county should have done. They haven't. If the Carrs didn't speak out about this, nobody would have known where Jaysen was, what he was infected with, how he lost his life, and who he was. So we've been beating the pavement trying to get the word out. We appreciate you allowing this platform for that word to be further spread.